Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to convert daylight videos into nighttime videos using Premiere Pro.
Premiere Pro templates, presets, Lightroom looks, and more. All super cheap, some free. Link in the description.
First, add your video clip to the timeline. I've already added mine. Now, select the clip and go over to the Lumetri color panel. Open the basic correction tab and adjust the following settings. Exposure around -1.5, contrast around 40, highlights around -35. Next, open the Creative tab and choose the SL Blue Day 4 Night Look. Then adjust the intensity to your preference. Now, go back to the basic correction tab and fine-tune the settings until your video has the perfect nighttime look. And that's it. Here's a quick look at the before and after. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.